Now, murder investigations, like tax investigations, like specialist medical operations, are a specialist field. You don't bring in an optician to look at a heart problem. You don't bring a psychologist to look at some kind of hormonal problem. The reality is that in a murder case, you don't bring in necessarily a general practitioner of general crime who doesn't have specific experience in murder cases.
And of course, the time at the police station is absolutely vital. It's often effectively where the guilt or innocence of the accused is established.
You have, of course, different types of accused person. You've got the domestic murder, where a person has lost their self-control or something has happened and a killing has taken place. They may never have seen the inside of a police station before. They may have been arrested leaving behind small kids, for example. They'd be thinking what my family is going to think about this, what my friends are going to think about. So they are in an absolute emotional turmoil. At the time when the killing took place, they clearly may have the proper intention or may not have had the intention, but then a couple of hours later or 3 or 4 hours later, there's an inevitable feeling of guilt. That feeling of guilt is not necessarily because there has been a criminal guilt, but a person feels guilty. And they are the ones who need the specialist help, and that is where specialist solicitors with experience of these sort of cases should be brought in.
It's really not recognised sometimes by professionals that families, parents, suffer almost as much and sometimes more than the actual person accused. Mothers losing children to, or facing losing children to a 20 or a 30-year prison sentence. That can be horrific, and it's very important that a solicitor's role in this, a defence solicitor's role in these circumstances is not just to be making sure the case is excellently prepared. Of course, that's a given, but making sure that the family is supported where appropriate too.